Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Find two sums here. A. 24% of 25 kgs and B. 5 into 1 by 2 of 24 hundreds. Let's see the solution. A first. See 24% of 25 kgs. Here 24%. Percent means 100. So 24 by 100 into 25. Here 25 cancelled in 100 in 4 times. And also 4 is cancelled in 24 in 6 times. So 24% of 25 kgs is 66 kgs. 6 kgs. And second one. 5 1 by 2% of 24 hundreds. 24 hundreds. 11. Here mixed fraction to convert a improper fraction. That means 5 into 2 plus 1. 5 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into percent. Percent means 100 into 24 hundreds. So 5 into 2 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 2 into 100 200 into 24 hundreds. Here 2 zeros cancel. 2 cancel in 12. 24 in 12 times. So 11 into 12 is equal to 132 rupees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.